Why does your scanner show the P045A engine code? What does it mean? P045A is a diagnostic trouble code for exhaust gas recirculation B control circuit. The P045A engine code indicate the powertrain control module, PCM, has detected a malfunction in the electrical circuit or valve mechanism that controls the vehicle's EGR system. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: damaged or corroded wiring or connectors, failed EGR solenoid or actuator, severe carbon blockages, poor electrical ground, faulty PCM or ECM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Chevrolet, Jeep, Toyota, Nissan, and Ford. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.